Hi guys, I ordered this archery bow and arrow set from Amazon, MRP 1599, but you get this one at rupees 499, and this one is for the kids above 5 years of age. So this is how the packaging look like. The first thing in the box is the target board and 100 is your target. There is a hole to hang it conveniently and it's plain black from the back side. And next is this bucket, which is actually of no use. It doesn't stay at the kid's shoulder. Anyways, we have the next thing, these 3 arrows in the pack, and these arrows are awesome. They are equipped with the suction cups that help them to stick to their goals, and on the other hand the arrow has this V shape to fix it in the bow thread. After using this for a while, bow thread, which is actually made of elastic, becomes loose, so there is an option to screw tight this one. This is a lightweight bow and soft tipped arrow which ensures safety while still providing a sense of adventure. It's easy for the kids to handle, it engages them for hours and keep them busy to aim properly. I just feel that the target board size is too small. Overall, it's a good quality product and very easy to use. The toy offers a fun and active way for kids to enjoy. And I just wish they would have provided 6 arrows instead of 3. You can definitely give it a try. Your kids are going to love it. Subscribe for more such videos.